house had a lot of water damage. A large part of the house needed remediation. And after that, all the walls were taken down, the kitchen had to be removed. And at that point, we were like, we need to find someone to redo the walls, the kitchen, large part of the floors. One thing that really drew me to Golden View was actually the videos. Helped me really understand what they're capable of doing, the quality that they do it. I approached them, got the estimates, and it was certainly within the price range. Renovation went pretty quickly once everything was scheduled and booked. It was great. Yeah, so Nira and Tal helped design, put a lot of what my wife and I wanted kind of into the design, incorporating it, going back and forth on different colors, designs, a lot of just tiny details. The first time we looked at the computer renders really kind of solidified kind of what we wanted. It was like, this is exactly how we envisioned it. And in fact, now that the kitchen is all done, it looks almost exactly the same as the renders, which again, I think that moment was like, wow, this whole journey from the beginning, and then fast forward the construction and renovations. Now that I look back, it's like, wow, it's exactly how it was planned. And I think that really kind of just, now looking back, is just amazing. One thing that I really appreciate about the communication was that we would all be on WhatsApp and we could communicate dialogues, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, and then going back and forth. But everything was done digitally and was really efficient that way. And Ilya would be able to get back to me on the responses. It really worked well for me. The crew here worked really hard. They even came on Saturdays and Sundays on the weekends and really just kind of kept up with the schedule. And so again, I'm very impressed with how they're able to adapt to additional work, but still do things so quickly and efficiently. Just couldn't ask for more. Ilya really helped my wife and I have a kitchen that we really dreamed of and really made it happen. And we're so glad and we really appreciate. I've never done a renovation, but they really made it so easy for me. Recommend them to all my families and friends. You really need to find a good company to help you with this, because you can't do this by yourself. If I were to give anyone advice for doing renovations, for sure, check out Golden View, get a quote from them, get an estimate, get their input. They have some pretty good suggestions on things that could really help my house, the kitchen, and that really helped actually form a lot of the decisions. This is a really difficult process for renovation, and you need to find someone that has ideas, is not afraid to bring up ideas, and to be able to do this in a costly manner and a time-sensitive way. Just really appreciate it, and definitely check out Golden View.